Learning something new. Learning something new is an exciting activity I try to do every day. Whether it's a new skill, a fact, or a hobby, I love discovering new things. Sometimes, I learn by reading a book or watching a video. Other times, I learn by trying something hands-on, like baking a cake or drawing a picture. Learning something new helps me grow and become better at different things. It can be challenging at times, but it's always rewarding when I finally understand or succeed. I also like to learn with my friends, so we can share what we discover. Learning together is fun because we can discuss new ideas and teach each other. Every time I learn something new, I feel more confident and curious. It keeps my mind active and helps me stay interested in the world around me. I enjoy making learning a part of my daily routine.